What's up, guys? This is Chris, back with another video. Hey, we are out here in Texas. Where are we at exactly?
Texas.
Yeah, what he said. I don't even know how to say that. Arroyo, the city, Texas. That's where we're at. We're out in the bay. There's good old Joshy Poo. Can't go anywhere without him, of course. We're out here looking for some redfish, some monster redfish, some good sized redfish, all kinds of trout too. Andy, he's our guide. He's putting us on the fish. Hey, I'm gonna tell them where they can reach you, Andy. Tell them how can they get a charter with you in good old Texas if they want to catch some redfish and trout.
Give me a call at 956-455-7323 or look for Official Charters on Facebook, and that's spelled O-F-I-S-H-A-L. Official Charters. Out of Arroyo City.
Hey, I'll leave all of his information in the description box below. If you guys want to catch some redfish and trout in Texas, this is your guy, as you will see in this video. Let's get started. We gotta eat. You know it. These tacos are from the bait shop. All right, guys, starting off with some topwater action. Back home, we do not fish for topwater enough, but out here, they do it all the time.
Hey, I know, guy.
Oh!
You missed one right there. I told you.
Right in the boat?
Dude, yeah, I pulled it away. I was going to reset and cast.
Water working all the way to the boat. You never know, follow them.
Ooh, I think I landed on their head. We're hooked up, guys. Oh, it's a trout. Nice trout too. Top water. Oh, are you gonna net him? Oh,
Did it go?
there you go. Net. Sometimes you gotta net them. Hooked up again, guys.
Is that a red?
I don't know. I can't see in the sun. It looks like a trout. Woo! Ooh.
Look at you! Look at drunk over there. He's doing that wobble. That's a keeper, right?
Hey.
Work, Christopher.
Nice trout catch and cook.
Yeah, tonight we're gonna do that up here for sure. We got lots of wow.
Oh, it's too loose. Technically my second, but this is a good. This is a better one.
Yeah, I forgot you got a big one. He come up on top?
Oh yeah.
And they're liking that little white pearl.
Yes, sir.
Woo! Stop it.
Nope, redfish. Beautiful. Oh! Came unbuttoned. Nah, he was about the size of Andy's, maybe even smaller. But he had a beautiful blue tail.
What I said is catch and release?
Catch and release.
Catch and release on the next level, buddy. Got it?
Oh, he's a smoker. Oh, yes. Yes, sir. Sweet.
Yeah, we got it.
Oh, that's got some shoulders.
We got him in the light.
Call these red gold, baby.
Hey, you want a charter?
956-455-7323. That's right. Okay. Go around the other way. Go around the other way. Go around the other way. Josh, move to the front. All right, never mind. You're good there.
There you go.
Good there.
Topwater.
There you go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There you go. Check that out, guys.
Hey, you know what you need, Andy?
It's taco time. Hey, leave a comment down below. Is this a burrito?
Not a burrito.
Or a taco?
A pizza taco vato.
And he says taco. Me and Josh
Taco.
think they're burritos.
No.
Let us know in the comment section below.
Taco.
Alright guys, we are back from an awesome day of fishing with Andre. We got Joshy Poo over here. He's a little salty today because I actually beat him in fishing. You guys don't get to see that too often.
Yeah.
So make sure you give him hell down in the comment section below. English is
Listen,
English is
I
hard.
gave him a handicap. You didn't even clean your lens. Like, I mean, come on.
What? They can see. It's not messed up at all.
Listen, I gave him a handicap, guys. I feel really bad for Chris, who came 1,300 miles from home. I gotta let the guy catch fish every once in a while, you know?
Hey, I'm not mad about that whatsoever. Check these fish out, guys. We got some redfish, some trout. We got Andre here. He's, oh, we got a snake.
Little baby.
The gardener snake.
Garden snake.
Yeah.
Alright guys, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the page for more, leave a comment down below. Peace.